how much does a personal chef cost? Let's talk about it. When it comes to hiring a chef, there's a wide range of fees. Personal chefs may use an hourly rate, and that can range from $30 to $40 per hour, according to Fash.com. Or the chef may bill a flat day rate, and you can expect to pay anywhere between $180 up to $750 as a daily chef rate in the US. So the national average falls somewhere in the middle, or about $450. Of course, there are a few factors that will influence the cost. Number one, experience. If the chef is just starting out, he or she may charge less while they gain experience, whereas a more experienced chef will cost more. Number two, location. Depending where you live, you might only spend $250 for a chef to come and meal prep for a few days worth of meals, whereas in New York City, chef fees will run on the higher end, closer to $700. Regarding food quantity, you might be wondering, well, how much food will the chef prepare for their daily rate? For chefs who charge a flat daily fee for their chef service, they will generally prepare enough dishes to last 2 to 4 people for several days. The chef will prepare a variety of dishes, such as a breakfast recipe, a couple of appetizers such as soup and salad, and a few entrees. Often there will be sauces, garnishes, and other extras to make each dish complete. For example, if the chef prepares French toast, they'll also make a fruit compote or flavored syrup to go along with it. In addition to the chef fee, there's also the cost of the groceries. The chef will keep all of the grocery receipts for reimbursement. And the food cost will depend on how many people the chef is cooking for, as well as whether the ingredients are organic or not. So for a menu of 6 different recipes, it can range from $150 to a few $100s. Typically, a personal chef, who is a chef who cooks for multiple families, will initially pay for the groceries themselves and request reimbursement. Whereas a private chef, or a chef who cooks exclusively for one family, they'll often use a card or other form of payment provided by the client to cover the food costs. Depending how far the chef is traveling, they may also request travel cost reimbursement such as mileage, gas, tolls, and parking. That amount can range from $50 to $100 or so. Besides the actual time spent cooking in your kitchen, a personal chef spends time discussing the menu with you, meal planning, shopping, and cleaning up to leave your kitchen spotless. Some chefs charge a lower hourly rate for menu planning and shopping, while others stay consistent with the same hourly rate for their time, regardless if they're shopping or cooking. When hiring a personal chef through an agency, it's often customary to tip the chef in addition to their fee, especially if they've catered a special event such as a birthday party or small dinner party in your home. As far as the frequency, in my experience as a personal chef myself, I see that personal chefs are generally hired to cook for a family 1 to 3 times per week. So let's break this down into how much a personal chef costs. The chef fee could be $350, groceries would be another $170, travel expense might add $50. So your total payment to the chef would be $570, and this would provide you with customized meals, or roughly 6 different dishes plus sauces and condiments made according to your personal preferences to last for a few days for 2 to 4 people. When you compare this to the cost of dining in restaurants, or just even the time spent making this kind of food, it's something that increasingly more people are happy to spend, knowing that it helps save them time while eating wholesome, delicious homemade food that they can enjoy in the comfort of their own home. I hope this video answered your question about how much it costs to hire a personal chef. And if you need help finding the right chef in New York City or New Jersey, I'll link my website below this video so you can find out more and let us know how we can help. If you found this video interesting, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.